Shea Butter is used for massages. Muscular pain often results from an inflammation at the affected site. Number 9. Shea Butter is used for hair treatment and repair. Number 8. Shea Butter is used for its healing properties. Shea Butter has skin moisturizing properties because of a wide variety of phytonutrients it contains. Number 7. Shea Butter is used for baby care. Unrefined shea butter is an excellent natural product that is devoid of chemicals, which is very vital for baby products. Number 6. Shea butter is used during and after pregnancy. Shea butter can dramatically help reduce stretch marks formed during pregnancy. Shea butter restores the elasticity of skin. Shea butter improves the production of collagen in the skin. Thus, its application restores the natural elasticity of skin by hydrating, softening, and beautifying it. Restored elasticity also ensures reduced wrinkling and blemishes. Shea butter acts as a natural sunscreen. Shea butter contains cinnamic acid that exhibits anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make it beneficial for the improvement of skin conditions that results in an increase of inflammatory compounds like sun. Number 2. Shea butter treats acne and blemishes. Shea butter is known for its healing properties, and raw and refined shea butter is effective in curing rashes, skin peeling after tanning scars, stretch marks, frostbites, burns, athlete's foot, insect bites, stings, and acne. Number 1. Shea butter is used for an even and beautiful skin tone. Shea butter is an excellent moisturizer for the face and body.